till it became black and then created Adam from it. And then Jawhari in his tafsir, he says, a lot of people say the reason why Adam was named Adam was because he was Adam alone, Adam in complexion. So what does Adam mean? Go to Lisan al-Arab, the first Arabic lexicon and the most widely referenced Arabic lexicon. They say Adam means black. And when somebody's darker than asmar, which is dark brown, like our color, they're described as Adam alone or Adam shadidul adma, like they're very, very dark skinned. So the usage of this word to describe the first human, and it also correlates with science because we know the first human beings were found in Africa and they were black people, and the black genes are not recessive. So any other nations will derive themselves from that, but they can't, the scientific aspect of it. So already just from that, the fact that there are over 10 traditional mainstream tafasir that state or propose that Adam was black, that's knowledge that's within our books that people don't know about. A lot of people study and they'd never even heard of these things. And until you go to the tafsir itself, it's something that's not highlighted because it's not seen as important. But it was important enough for those scholars to include it in their tafsir. 100%. So, alhamdulillah. Then Musa, we have a hadith where the Prophet ﷺ is describing different prophets. So he says, for example, Ibrahim, if you want to know what Ibrahim looked like, look at your companion, talking about himself, meaning he's the one that looks the most like Ibrahim. Then he speaks about Musa, وَأَمَّا مُوسَى فَرَجُلٌ Adam. He was a dark-skinned man. And then he talks about him having curly hair as well. And then, going back to the Quran even, one of the miracles of Musa, أَسْلُكِ يَدُكَ فِي جَيْبُكَ تَخْرُجُ بَيْضَاءَ مِنْ غَيْرِ سُوءٍ. If you put your hand into your pocket or underneath your armpit, when it comes out, it will be bayda, it will be white. If he wasn't non-white in the first place, that wouldn't have been a miracle. And so when you look at the tafsirs, Tabari says, وَأَمَّا مُوسَى فِيمَا ذَكَرْ لَنَا كَانَ Adam. Musa was, according to what we were told, Adam in complexion, the same as the original Adam. He was a black man. And so his changing color, his hand changing color was made a miracle for him. And all of the other mufassirin, when they talk about this ayah, they say the same thing. And then they quote some of them, the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ talking about him to confirm this. Isa, same thing. So there's different ahadith. Some say he's Ahmar, light skin. Some of them say he's Adam. But Ibn Umar, the son of Umar bin al-Khattab, says, Wallahi. And you know, when they said Wallahi, it meant something. Serious, He said, Wallahi, the Prophet ﷺ never said he was Ahmar. But he said that I had a vision of 3 men doing tawaf of the Kaaba. The man in the middle was Adam. He was dark-skinned with long curly hair, and when I asked who he was, I was told that he was Isa ibn Maryam. So those are the father of humanity, the father of the Judaic tradition, the father of the Christian tradition. Well, not the direct father, but the main figures of all of these traditions, all described as black men by the Quran itself, or by the Sahaba, by the Prophet ﷺ, or by the Sunnah.